In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Word from Dropbox. Let's keep this simple and clear. We're going to use the Dropbox website to start a brand new Microsoft Word document that's saved directly to your Dropbox. Begin by opening your browser and signing in to your Dropbox account. Once you're in, you should land on your home page. This is where you'll find the main controls for creating new files. At the top of the page, look for the New button. It usually appears with a small plus icon, and it's easy to spot along the top bar. Go ahead and click that. A menu will open, and from here you'll choose Document. This tells Dropbox you want to create a new document file rather than a folder or an upload. After you select Document, you'll see several options to pick from. You might see Dropbox Paper Doc, Dropbox Paper Template, Google Docs, and Microsoft Word. Since our focus today is Word, choose Microsoft Word. This option is perfect if you want the standard Word editing experience but want everything saved neatly in your Dropbox. As soon as you click Microsoft Word, Dropbox creates a new Word file in the folder you're currently viewing and opens it in your browser. The editing screen should feel familiar. You can type, format text, insert images and tables, and use the usual Word tools. One of the best parts of working this way is that your document saves automatically as you work, so you don't need to worry about losing changes. The file is stored in your Dropbox as a docx, just like any regular Word file, and it stays synced in the folder where you created it. A quick tip to keep things organized. Check that you're in the right Dropbox folder before you click New. That way, your new Word file is saved exactly where you want it from the start. Also, if your screen looks a little different, maybe you're on a smaller display or a slightly different layout, look for the same New button and Document option. The wording stays consistent even if the placement shifts a bit. And that's all there is to it. You've opened Microsoft Word from Dropbox and can now work exactly as you would in a standard Word document, with the added convenience of automatic saving and easy access from your Dropbox account. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.